It's time I get what I deserve. Act like you don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time talking, but it feels like I've never heard. Listen to what comes out my mouth before you try to take me out. You oughta know what I'm about. Treat me like a lady. This ain't not for the baiting. Boys got playing, but we goes a different route. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls get taking control. Wrapping our fingers, taking time. Welcome to the birthday show, where we play it like the plastic dolls. They'll do anything, anything, anything. When you gotta take me by a string, by a string. Gonna play it like it's toys. We'll make them do what we enjoy. They'll do anything when you got me by a string. Let's go! Don't like the look of this picture. Boy, you think that I'm not a picture? Try me everywhere. Don't trust me to leave, but you extra. I'ma do it my way. Ain't apologetic. I'ma cut you off like I finish it with it. I'ma done with your love. Tame like a sorry. In the game over till I say so.